In this quick video, we'll show you how to change your password and update your account settings in your CCI account. First, log in to the CCI portal. In the upper right corner, click your username. You'll see your CCI ID and candidate information. From the drop-down menu, select Password and Account Settings. Under Settings, Change Password, you can view your current password. You can also update your password by entering a new one that meets the requirements, confirming it, and hitting Submit. This is also where you can make changes to your primary email address. Enter your new email address. You'll receive a one-time passcode. Just follow the instructions to complete the change. Additionally, you can update your security questions for added account security. These will be used if you forget your password or choose to sign in with your security questions instead. Manage your preferences for receiving news and updates from CCI by updating your email settings here.